All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be counting up by 2. So this will be fairly simple. It's just skip counting by 2. We can skip count by 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s. We can skip count by 3s, but today we're going to do it by 2. So when I start with 0, I skip 1 and I go to 2. And then I skip 3 and I write 4. And then I skip 5. What comes next? 6. And then I skip 8, and what am I going to finish on? 10. Very good. Now, let's keep going. So if I start on 12, I'm going to skip 13 and write 14. And then I skip 15 and write 16. So then 18, what would come after 18 if I skip 19? I'm going to go to 20. And then I skip 21 and I do 22. Very good. So it looks like it just keeps going. 24, I skip 25, I write 26. I skip the next number and I'm going to write what? 28. And then I skip 29 and I write 30. Skip 31, I write 32. If I skip 33, what's going to come next? 34. Very good. Now on my last row, I started on 38. 40. What would come next? 42. And then the number after that would be 44. I skip 45. I write 46. And if I skip 47, my last number is going to be what? 48. Nice job. All right, so let's see what we have on the back. On the back, we have some missing numbers. So these are just counting by 1s. So this is pretty simple. I just want you to finish the chart that's the numbers are missing, and then you're going to stop at 100. Then on the bottom half, you're just going to write the missing numbers, and these are going to be super simple for you because you are experts at counting by 1s. So I want you to finish this side on your own. Well done today.